February was not actually a very good month for cryptocurrency. Despite the month of February was speculated that it has always been a wonderful month for cryptocurrency, but this one for 2025 wasn't pleasant for me. And a lot of people could see that the crypto market has been going down, down, down. And I know a lot of people might be thinking, how can I sell so that I should not get caught into the bear market? Now, in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you could sell your crypto into cash and get rewarded in your local account. So I'll be sharing with you, you're able to watch this video today, and I'll be sharing you 3 ways by which you could actually sell your cryptocurrency. So let's dive into it. And this particular video will be specifically for those who are using Bybit. So if you want me to do for any other exchange, please kindly comment in the description of this particular video any exchange of your choice, and I will gladly do a video on that. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another new video. Thank you. So let's go to it. So the first thing is that you have to have a Bybit account. If you don't have a Bybit account, I'll be dropping my link in the description of this particular video so you can use it to join, and you have to verify, do your KYC. And let's say for everyone who has a Bybit account, let's say you want to do this is the first method, which let me say I have BTC, for example. So let me tap on BTC. The first thing is that you have to tap on this sell button. You have to sell your BTC into your USDT. You could see that I have my BTC pair to USDT. You have to check the pair. It is very important. So you have to sell it into USDT. If you haven't watched how to trade spot, I'll be dropping the link in some of my videos that I've done on how to trade spot on Bybit. And if you want to do it and sell into cash, the first method is you have to use Bybit P2P. So you just have to come to this Bybit P2P here. You allow it to load. So in this particular video, I will not be sharing with you how you are just actually how you could sell using how to trade P2P here, because I've done countless number of videos on how to trade P2P safely. So if you haven't watched them, I'll be dropping also the link to the playlist in the description of this particular video. I think I'm having network issue. The link in the description of this particular video, so you could just watch so that this video will not get long. You could just watch it, and some of the filters which you just have to do so that you know get to sell to the hand scammer. So if when you trade P2P, you'll be able to sell and get paid to your local bank account, which is the first method. The other method which I will have to share with you is, let's say for example I have BTC and I want to sell. What I have to do is that I have to come to my asset here. Then you could see that I have two sections here. I have my fundings account, I have my unified account. If my money is in the unified account, I will have to transfer it to my fundings account. And how can you do it? Is that you have to tap on this transfer. You tap on it, you could see it's telling you now that from funding you want to send to unified. But let's say I have my money in my unified account, it will eventually swipe. So I have to tap here, I have to tap it. You could see it could change. So any crypto of my choice that I know I have, you could see here, I'll have to tap here, then select a particular coin. Then I'll select if it is all the coin I want to sell. Then this place will be highlighted. Then I'll just convert it. Then what I'll just need to do next is to come back to this withdrawal option. Then if I tap on this particular withdrawal option, you could see here it's showing me here the crypto and it's showing me fiat. So let me remove to show it in. So what you have to do here is to type the name of the coin. So you have to come here and type the name of the coin you want to swap, you want to sell. Let's say I have an exchange offline that I want to sell to. The person must have given me an exchange already, must have given me his or BTC. Let's say I'm selling BTC. The person must have given me his or her BTC wallet address. So what I will just have to come here is to type here and type BTC. You could see I will have to type on it. You could see here it's showing me that I'm on BTC. So the wallet address person gave to me, I'll have to type it here. then the amount of BTC. I'll have to type it here, and then the last but not the least, the fee I'll be paying will be showing it here, and the amount it will be. You could see the fee here is 0 point, the withdrawal fee is 0.0. So after you have filled this particular details which you just have, the you'll be able to transfer that particular Bitcoin to the person safely, and the person will be able to get it in no time. So the third one, which is the last but not the least, is to use internal transfer. Let's say the person, they say you have to sell it to all the individual that wants to buy it, which I know and I trust, and the person also has a Bybit account. What I can just do, this particular one we did, as we actually cost us something, but the one of BTC will not cost us anything. It is free of charge to trade on P2P. And also this other one I'm about to share you, it has no fee. But this other one I just showed you, you have to pay a fee. So this other one doesn't carry a fee. Is to use what we call the internal transfer. Let's say the person, and don't mean this particular one is this off-chain. Me, if I want to send maybe from Bybit, I want to send the person as a Binance account, Bitro account, or any other. That's when I'll use on-chain. But when I want to use internal transfer, the person must be using a Bybit. This one is free. Is on BTC already. What I'll just have to do is to get the person's email. I can send to the person via email. I can send it via the person just provide me, or send me his mobile number, or what we call UID. So when the person just sent it to me, what I'll just do is that you could see that this one now is on email. Just input the person's email here, put the number of BTC here, then you just send, you just withdraw. It's free. And if I tap on mobile here, you see to change to mobile. You could see it's telling me to insert the person's mobile number. And if it is via UID, let me tap on it. You could see it has asked the person's UID. And to get your UID, let me just show you. Let's go back to the home page of this place. You just have to tap on here. This is your UID number now. It is safe. Let's say the person that wants to sell, you just copy the number and the person will be able to sell to you. So these are just the three ways which you can withdraw your token and get your money into your bank account. If this was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification so that you can learn for anytime we upload another video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.